If you're seeing CapCut error code 249, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that can help get your export working again. This is one of those frustrating CapCut issues that can stop you from finishing a project, but the good news is that the solution is usually quick and easy. We'll go through the main fix first, then I'll also show you a few fast workarounds in case the error still comes back. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open CapCut and go straight into the settings. To do that, click Menu, then choose Settings, and after that, open the Performance section. This is where CapCut keeps some of the export and hardware acceleration options that can sometimes cause problems during rendering or exporting. If CapCut is using a setting that your system does not like, it can trigger error code 249, so this is the best place to start. Once you're in Performance, look for the option that says Speed up hardware encoding. If that box is checked, turn it off by unchecking it. Hardware encoding can make exports faster, but on some computers, it can also cause stability issues, especially if your graphics driver is outdated, your system is under heavy load, or CapCut is having trouble processing the project. Disabling this option often fixes the error, because CapCut will switch to a more stable export method. After you uncheck that setting, don't forget to save the changes. Click Save, then close CapCut completely. Make sure the program is fully closed, not just minimized. After that, reopen CapCut and load the same project again. Now try exporting the project one more time. In many cases, this simple change is enough to clear the CapCut error code 249 and let the export finish normally. If the error still appears, there are a few quick workarounds you should try next. First, lower the export quality. For example, if you're trying to export in 4K, change it down to 1080p and test again. Higher export settings put more pressure on your system, so reducing the resolution can often make the export process much more reliable. Next, check your drive space. CapCut needs enough free storage to render, cache, and export your video properly, so make sure you have at least 10 GB or more free on the drive you're using. If your storage is almost full, CapCut can run into errors during export, even if the project itself looks fine. Freeing up space can make a big difference. Another useful fix is to wipe the cache inside CapCut. Go back into Settings, then open Cache, and choose Delete. Clearing the cache can remove broken temporary files that may be interfering with the export process. Sometimes, old cache data gets corrupted, and deleting it gives CapCut a clean start. So to quickly recap, if you get CapCut error code 249, go to Menu, then Settings, then Performance, turn off Speed up hardware encoding, save the changes, restart CapCut, and try exporting again. If that still doesn't work, lower the export quality, make sure you have enough free disk space, and clear the cache. These are the fastest and most effective fixes to try first. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more simple CapCut fixes and editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.